Opo. So, let's stay here. Of course, we would like to invite Reverend Father Jose Marie Canusa to please come up and join us right here para sa
Behave,
blessing.
start. Behave naman siya. Behave.
No. Hey, hey. No.
Pat? No. Babe lang, babe. Ang babe naman.
Ilang masa po ba ito?
Alright, may we ask
Sasanayan
everyone
pa po
kung pwede po tayong tumayo. Now, gusto namin tawagin lahat ng mga pet parents, of course, na with the pets, please come and join us. Lapit lang po tayo dito for the pet blessing.
Oh, babe.
Stop! Hey, babe na, dali. Ay!
Shit. Ay.
Ako dyan.
Stop!
Ayaw ba?
Sige na, tapos.
Babe naman.